Hi guys, my name is Kavya Sharma and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. A very good morning to you all from Chel. So this is the beautiful sunrise that I captured on my second day in Chehel, and this is somewhere around 7:30ish a.m. Even though I woke up at 6, so I decided to click some nice pictures around the clouds and the sun slowly rising in. It was such a beautiful day. I also decided to cover a bit of the resort that we were living in. So, in my last video, you only saw the room and balcony, but this is a little bit of the outside view of how our resort, the Maple Resort, looked, and it was very serene, so green, so many beautiful plants were. Planted and so many beautiful flowers, and I just couldn't stop myself from clicking a lot of flower pictures, so sharing with you all a few of them. So these flowers were everywhere, from the garden to the restaurant, outside the restaurant area, right at the entrance, and a lot of flowers were grown even in the balcony area, and it was so beautiful. Then, after roaming about in the resort for some time, it was breakfast time finally, and we went straight to the restaurant and had our amazing breakfast. We had chai, chola bhatura, there was vermicelli, and mashed potatoes, etc. And we just had our hearty meal. And today we were to visit Kali the Tibba, and before that, I decided yet again to get some beautiful pictures clicked around the resort because it was a beautiful space and I wanted to make the best use of it. Then we were on our way to Kali the Tibba from our resort in Chel, and it's about 9 kilometers from our resort. The road, of course, gets more sleek, more narrow, so it was a little tough yet again to drive on. This was tougher than Kandaghat to Chel, and then we went, and it just turned out to be a beautiful ride for all the greenery, the pine trees, the light breeze, and the pahadi doggos we saw in between on the road. So this was a fun journey to be on. And in about half an hour or 40 minutes or so, we were at Kali the Tibba, and this place is so quiet. It's on a hilltop, it's so serene, and you just feel so calm and soothed, like right from the first time that you're here. And you definitely get a 360-degree view of the hills from Kali da Tibba. And we just sat there for about 30 minutes, 40 minutes or so, and we just enjoyed the quiet around us. And I recorded a few snippets of how it looked like from the top. And then, of course, after sitting there, we came down via road and we saw this little Maggie stall and chai stall, and we couldn't stop ourselves from having Maggie. So because Pahars and Maggie definitely go hand in hand, so we just couldn't. And this is just me enjoying the little view from the hilltop and having my Maggie, having my chai. I also wrote a poetry piece while sitting here, so which I will share in the upcoming videos, because these are the calming places to be around. And we also saw three cute puppies here who waited for us to have our Maggie, so we left them a few veggies which they thoroughly enjoyed. This is one of the cute doggos that we saw around the Maggie stall. And this is just a snippet, a video that I shot from the Maggie point, so you can see how Kali the Tibba is on a hilltop. So this is how far it was from the Maggie stall, and the road was really steep, but it was a beautiful journey. One has to be careful, and this was day 2 in Chel, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this series, please do hit like and comment, and I'm going to come up with the next part 3 very, very soon. Take care. Bye bye.